actually looks way nicer than it does on Amazon. I really like the top of it. It's great, and the underside is pretty badass too. Okay, so this is the HOLYWAY board. There's the low speed mode. I'd say it's a pretty good beginner pace. Start on the board. Drive boards don't have on these hub motors, they don't get leaves caught in them. The belt drives get leaves caught really bad. See if we can climb hills pretty well. It's really nice. This cruiser board is portable. You can take with you, like commute and stuff. I mean, it doesn't have AT wheels. You can't go over everything, but you know that's not what this is. It's really good at what it does, though. I love that the hub motor does not pick up leaves like belt motors. And you gotta have all the bash guards and all that stuff. And you just carry a bunch of leaves behind you. So it's nice not having the leaves this time of year to deal with. Acceleration on it's pretty smooth overall. It has a pretty good get up. The brakes are pretty decent too. They're a little slower than my belt motor boards, but I mean, those ones will throw you off. This is hub motors, because my belt motor boards, the second I come over even this little curb right here, the motors hit. So it's really nice to be able to pop off of curbs with this thing. Medium tops out at about 17 miles an hour. I think you can stand this board up, unlike my belt motor boards. They bash in the back. So it's nice to be able to stand it up. Board coasts really nicely in comparison to belt motor boards. So you don't even have to press the accelerator. And you just like coast for days. And especially down a little decline like this. Motor boards, there's actually a reverse button you can press. It'll go backwards. Belt motor boards, you can easily kick push this board and it'll coast you for a pretty decent amount of time. It's nice to be able to drag it behind you, like with one hand. Again, can't do that with belt motor boards. It's awesome because it's perfect height, very quiet board.